This is Joan of Art from Goldview Beach Resort. It's opposite Larena Port, so we had to drive around halfway through around the island. So let's check out our accommodation and see the place. Looks so big. See? The place is just so big. Wow, this is a big place. I wonder why there's no people this weekend. And this is the receptionist counter. I can see a tennis court. Wow, we can play tennis here. The view from up here. This is my accommodation right here. This is my room, and ooh, interesting. Toilet and literally a water closet with hot and cold shower. Alrighty. And a nice view outside. That's the one. Upstairs, you can rent motorcycles for a day tour in SIQUIJOR. And this is the restaurant, which is so big. Let's order breakfast. Hello, good morning. What do you have for breakfast? Full English breakfast.
For the eggs, I side up scrambled omelette.
Omelette, please. Big English breakfast. Bon appetit. And the pool. Yes. Let's try the pool. Let's try the pool. You can sit here at the underwater bar, but nobody's here right now. That's the restaurant and the pool, and of course a wide beach front. And there is the rock. Welcome to the tennis court. Ooh, let's play tennis. More rooms up there, I believe. More huts, more cabanas. This is Goldview. And this is the view from the driveway. See you once again in our next accommodation. Bye bye for now.